Hope everyone's doing well. I know it's very difficult times here. We're going to do our best. I know all of us are going through many things. I have my own life issues with parents and daughters and work and things like that with my wife, and who knows. So I know we're all going through a tough time here. With that said, our goal is still to try to finish this semester. Many of us need to make sure that we finish this class, so we're going to do our best we can. I have no idea what's going to happen as we move forward, but for now, what we're going to be doing is having virtual classes. And so I just want to make sure you're clear on, you're getting all my announcements. I'll be sending more. Our first class is Wednesday, a virtual class. And so when you log into our Canvas page, you will see, you will get to the home page, and then on the home page I printed or put out a kind of updated list of assignments and things that are due, in addition to a link to my Zoom account. This is where we'll have the virtual meeting. So instead of us meeting in class, what's happening is we're going to do a virtual class. And so you would click on here, and it's going to open up a Zoom application. You're going to have to download it to your computer. You can also get the app. There's a Zoom app. You don't need an account since I'm giving you this link. So you can do it on your phone also. It's not the best, but you can do that, or an iPad. Best is computer. I will also record the meeting so that I can post and you can view later. And so during this class time, the goal will be to answer questions, go over some problems and questions students have. What we're going to do to kind of change this up is kind of make it online. So you're going to want to have viewed the videos and do the flipped assignments before class. So like getting into, go back to our schedule real quick. Looking at Wednesday, we're going to, you're trying to finish the flipped homework before class on Wednesday. And then we'll look at those things on Wednesday. In class, we'll talk about answer questions on chapter 3.3. If you can't make it, understood, or somehow your video's bad or things are going on, again, I'm going to record that session. But the key is you will be doing the lecture on your own. Now it's going to have to be the change where you do the flipped homework. Make sure, again, on that flipped homework, make sure you are using the notes. You have to print the note sheets out. Make sure you're viewing the videos and listening to the examples. And so that's going to be the difference. And then when we get together during the virtual class, I can answer questions and go over homework problems, things like that. More like a question and answer session versus a lecture. That's how we're going to proceed. Of course, I'll have more updates on things as we do that. Now, the other assignment that I made a note of is the instead of turning in written homework, I'll post solutions after they're due, the written homework, but instead of collecting it for now, the change is that you need to upload, you need to do instead of written homework, what we're going to do is do a discussion board. And so you can post questions here. You're either going to post a question from the online homework, post a question from your written homework, or you can reply to someone, try to help them out, or you can answer a task for you. You just got to do one of these things. That's the key here. You're going to do one of these things here. Here's some instructions how to embed an image, but this will be in place of written homework. So I want to make sure you guys are taking care of that. Again, as we go through that, that will be the one additional assignment that's been added is that instead of collecting written homework for now, we're going to do a discussion board here. You'll see there's one for chapter 3, and then there's one for chapter 4 somewhere, if I can find it. I know I've posted it somewhere. Oh, the midterm chapter question. And we'll see what's happening with the midterm. I'll find out. I don't know exactly how we'll be able to manage that, how we'll do it yet, but again, I'll update you. You guys take care, and I'll be in touch. See some of you or most of you Wednesday. If not, you'll see me through video when I post the recording. Email me if you have any questions.